So I'm just making a little video to show how I got this rainbow sherbet effect using the Cirque Color Crellies. This is Bluebird, Smitten, Coral Cloud, and Lemon Drop. And what I did is I had all the bottles open and just start painting. You do need to work fast. And I'm going to wipe the brush off on the mat so we are not contaminating the colors. We don't want it to be muddy. We want her to be cute. So that one looks a little like four-cornery, where you can really see the lines. There's a way to fix that, but we'll go in with a second one as well. I'll wipe my brush off again before I go back into the bottle. And there we kind of have our color like gradient. And I'm going to close these up since I'm just doing a swatch nail. And the way I got it to blend is once it was like tacky dry and I was pretty sure that I wouldn't smudge it, I did try the base coat hack trick. I know people have been using this for magnetics, but it really smoothed down all the layers. They looked like cohesive and melted together. And then I will do 2 coats of the Mooncat Speed Demon because it really made sure that there was no like lumpy parts, bumpy parts. Everything looks really seamless. So I'll give that a few minutes to dry and then we'll finish it out. So here are 3 swatch sticks. I did go ahead and put the Essie Strong Start on top of these and let it dry maybe 5 minutes so it's not completely tacky. This is what 2 coats of color looked like, and I thought it came out a little more opaque than I wanted it. So this guy and this pastel guy, like I liked how soft that was. And then I am going to go in with Mooncat Speed Demon. Make sure you get a like good bead so you don't mess up your polish, all your cute lines. And I really just found this stuff just like melted everything together, which is why I ended up top coating it twice, is to make sure it was really smooth. Also, I would not normally use Speed Demon on swatch sticks. So this is my 2 coat of color one. This is one coat. And this one's one coat. Okay, I realized I forgot to mention I used Holo Taco pink smoothing base before I laid these Crellies down. We almost lost her. And that's it. I actually think it came out cuter on my hands than it did on the swatch sticks. But there it is. It's a really fun and easy way to make a little watercolor.